Congratulations on owning a Ram 1500. Now you might wonder where to get your truck serviced. The answer largely depends on your warranty status. For a truck still under factory warranty, it's best to take it to a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealer. Dealer technicians are factory trained and use genuine Mopar parts. This ensures your warranty remains protected with documented service records. For an out-of-warranty truck, a reputable independent shop can be acceptable for routine oil changes. Just ensure they use the right oil spec and keep your receipts for record keeping. Understanding the service needs is crucial for your Ram 1500. Regular maintenance intervals include oil and filter changes, tire rotations, and spark plug replacements. If you tow or haul frequently, following a severe-duty maintenance schedule is essential. So what's different between a dealer and an independent shop? Dealers offer warranty documentation, specialized technician training, OEM diagnostic tools, and genuine parts. Independent shops can be a budget-friendly option for routine oil changes, but may lack access to specialized software and technical service bulletins. If your truck is under warranty, use the dealer for maintenance to keep records. If you have an open recall, that needs a dealer's attention at no cost. For severe duty use, a dealer's expertise is essential. For routine services on an older truck, an independent shop is reasonable. Not sure which route to take? Call the service department at Preferred CDJR of Grand Haven at 616-207-7972 for assistance. In summary, your choice should align with your truck's warranty status and service needs. Don't forget to check for current service coupons before booking. Protect your Ram 1500 by scheduling maintenance with our certified team today.